everyone, welcome here at Downtown Premier Residences. Hello everyone, welcome here at Downtown Premier Residences Open House today. So sa gusto mag-invest, punta lang po kayo dito.
Welcome here in Downtown Premier.
Hello! Invest na lang!
Invest now.
Please, MSDRR. Ayan. Hello! Happy blessing, DPR. Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome here at Downtown Premier Residences here in Vimapa, Davao City. The location is very strategical location. We have here at the heart of the city. If you have 15,000 pesos, you can own a unit here. This is the showroom. Come join us. Welcome to Downtown Premier Residences here in Vimapa, Davao City. Hello. Pasok na. Tala, pasok na tayo. Open house here at Downtown Premier Residences. Bye bye, bye bye. Busy kayo. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go, Bell! Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Carmona. Congratulations, Monique and Happy. Congratulations, Monique, Mr. and Mrs. Carmona, for your Downtown Premier Residences Tower 2, 1 unit on the 9th floor. Yes. Thank you for trusting me. Congrats.
Wala ka din flight.
Go. Dinner time.